Unless you've been sleeping under a rock in the last week or so, you might have heard that OpenAI, creators of ChatGPT, just killed Hollywood.
Hollywood!
We need to talk about that. The video you're looking at just now has obviously been generated by Sora, and the prompt was as follows. Stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm, glowing neon and animated city signage. She wears a black leather jacket, a long red dress, and black boots, and carries a black purse. She wears sunglasses and red lipstick. She walks confidently and casually. The street is damp and reflective, creating a mirror effect with the colourful lights. Many pedestrians walk about. Let's face it, it's pretty stunning. If you look at how the subject interacts with the reflections on the ground, the way the people in the background are moving, just the thought of it generating everything the way it has, is mind-blowing to me. Has it got its flaws? Yes, of course it has, and we'll talk about them in a moment. But it's certainly the cleanest looking generative AI video I've seen since this whole revolution started. I mean, look at the subject's face. You've got freckles, skin blemishes, slightly uneven eyebrows, and even the lipstick is not perfect. People, we're 1,000 miles away from the uncanny valley. I mentioned flaws a moment ago, and even Sora is nowhere near perfect. If you take a look at the collar of the leather jacket, yep, collar is that supersized. If you watch the video again closely, along with the other videos in the demo reel, you'll see quite a number of flaws in the way their AI constructs each video. But I want to be clear here, I'm being hyper picky. Sora is that good. We're 3 weeks down the line from the original announcement. I can guarantee you a lot of these bugs have been squashed already, and Sora's ability to learn will have grown exponentially. Not even a year ago, I was getting this quality of video from Runway ML, and if Sora does anything, it will be to inspire others to up their game in response. This can only be a good thing in the long term for filmmakers.